gotta get it right, son. That's all I got, son. I say, talk your shit, son. I'm riding with my flamers, I'm a flamer too. Ain't the one to judge, motherfucker, I'm the same as you. Where I come from, all these niggas know it's aim and shoot. Soon as he playing both sides, that's when they came to you. All that talking all behind my back, that shit that ain't the truth. Come over here on this side and get this point of view. Niggas always talking all that shit from their point of view. But nigga, yeah, you would die if I ever pointed, hit him all in his neck, hit him all in his chest. Yeah, he bare arms, but will he throw palms with him? Yes. Fuck around and have a let his thumb nigga lack. It's not checkers, and then y'all want him to check. Trying to put him to the test, trying to put that shit to rest. It's about time I start spazzing out of nowhere like to wreck. Everybody want calling, now they calling him collect. Now I guess the nigga falling, now he want a nigga neck. Damn. No, but I ain't good. Come on, Rich Kid. Hey, but I can still keep going. I'm with Montana. I remember when this nigga pulled in Montana. I met him when he was on Huron. He was selling crack. I was selling crack too. He said meet me in the back. I remember Pal had to get away with the strap. He ran to the basement. Pal like, where you at? Yeah, nigga, since that shit, yeah, this all fact. Like Fly say on the baseball cap, we don't do no south side. We ain't on the south side. Yeah, we on the west side. Like your daddy, you get chastised. Fuck you niggas talking, nigga. Squint with your left eye. Shoot, let it rain, nigga. Nigga,
Hey, with the glizzy. You know niggas really run the city. Homicide, yeah, know that flame flow. Then we get that big dope. Nigga know the cash flow. Fuck it, I'ma show the what? And fuck it, I'ma show the change. My niggas never fucking change. That mean my niggas stay the fucking same. Back when Pal hit that cut, I'm a big brother, had to tuck him up. Fuck the cops, I ain't seen shit or no shit. Eyes on my, hands on my ears. Nigga, it's a movie. Nigga, we shoot bad bitches all in the jacuzzi. Nigga, it's my birthday. I treat it like your birthday. I pull up in it, motherfucker.
That shit hurts,